Since I've got this car, I've got the check engine light on, and as you can see, it's still there. And from the previous owner, I got the information that it's some kind of a sensor for the recirculation of the exhaust gases. Today, I'm gonna check that thanks to my first and ever sponsor on this channel who sent me this amazing tool. It is XTOOL online, and this is their AnyScan OBD scanner. This particular model is A30M. So now we're gonna check it out, what we can do with this one, and if it can properly analyze our check engine fault. To be clear, this is the Audi A6 2018, last production year of C7.5 A6 model. It has a famous EA888 engine, which is 2.0 petrol engine, as you know, which produces around 250 something horsepower. This is what you get when you open the box. Inside you can find this quality certificate card, which has the model of the device and the activation code you can use to pair the device with the application. And you have the module itself, which I can tell already that it's pretty heavy. So we're gonna plug it in right now. Connection steps are really simple. Basically, you plug this in into your car, into your OBD port, and you give contact to your car. You don't have to turn it on. You download the application of XTOOL and you can connect with the module. I just connected it into the OBD port. As you can see, I had to unplug this so-called stage 1 that I had in my car. Can anyone tell me more information about this? I'd like to know how this works, but I think it just gives you like more boost. So I don't know, maybe the throttle is more responsive, and that's all. So next step, give contact to your car. You don't have to turn it on. Now connect the Bluetooth to the device. So after you connected your phone via Bluetooth to the module that's already inside your car, you will open up the XTOOL app and you will see a screen like this. Then you have to hit Autoscan. This is the easiest way to go. It will prompt you to download some updates so it can read your car. In my case, this is Audi, and it took only a couple of seconds to download the updates. After that, I hit Autoscan again and it scanned for a couple of seconds. It prompted me my vehicle type. In this case, it's Audi A6 from 2011 onwards, which of course I selected. There you can see your vehicle year, you can see mileage and everything else, and you have 3 options: automatic scan and 2 more options, which automatic scan is I think all you need. When you hit automatic scan, it's gonna go one by one through all of the systems of your car. I sped up this video, but it doesn't take long. It really takes only a couple of minutes to analyze everything. Most of these faults that you see on the screen are not a big deal. Most of them are not even real faults, and you can delete them by clicking clear all DTCs. The most important one is the one that you can see on your screen right now. It is the EVAP fuel vapor temperature sensor circuit, and that tells me that I need to replace that sensor. That is the main reason of my check engine code. After I analyze my car, I hit clear all DTCs. It only takes a couple of minutes to clear all your codes. Maybe some of them are just stale faults from the past. And one more interesting feature that you can do after you analyze your car is export as PDF or send the report to yourself via email. Of course, you can do this for clients as well. You can charge some money to do auto diagnostics with this tool and send full reports directly to your customers. And this is me after the scan. As you can see, I've managed to erase my check engine fault for now. Let's see if it goes back, but I think it will, since the fuel vapor temperature sensor is faulty and that needs to be replaced. So the check engine light is gonna come back eventually. That's my thoughts on it, but for now it is not displayed here, and the car is on right now. The module is still inside. I just reached and pulled it out. Check engine light is still off. So basically, I forgot to mention that this neat little device supports all vehicle models. So basically, currently I tested Audi and Volkswagen, but you can test BMWs and any other vehicles. It has software and updates for each vehicle, which is free when you purchase the device. You'll have the link to get this device in the description of this video. I'm gonna link it down below. And thank you very much, XTOOL, for sending me this really nice tool.